Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can optimize the graphic settings on the Walking Dead Telltale series. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the game on your device and you will be taken into the main menu. From here, navigate to the settings page, and once you enter the settings, you will see various different options. Just navigate to the audio/display option, and now you can change your display settings. You may choose from full screen or windowed, and you can also change your resolution by using the resolution slider. Underneath this, you will now see the graphics setting. Go into the graphics menu, and now you can choose the texture, the render, as well as ambient occlusion, the depth of field, the lens simulation, and anti-aliasing. If you have enough graphic resources, anywhere above 4 GB of VRAM, then you can choose the high option on all of these settings. You can also choose ultra on the ambient occlusion option and leave both the depth of field and lens simulation to high as well. After setting all the options to the highest and turning on anti-aliasing, you can go back to save your changes. After this, just start any game and see how these settings play out. If you don't notice any issues and your game works just fine as it is, then you don't need to make any further changes. If you still notice any issues, then you can go back to the same menu and change your settings once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to optimize the graphic settings on the Walking Dead Telltale series. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.